Hello, you are welcome to class today. Last time we were looking at VBA. Our emphasis was on how to write in cells. Today we are going to take it to a new dimension. We are going to check how to do copy and paste using the VBA environment. So this data here is our transaction data. The data is a long one. When we check the size is 8,370 rows. So we want to work on this to be able to show you how to do copy and paste. So go to the VB editor by pressing Alt F11. So we go and put insert and module and bring it up. You can remove this and bring this forward. So to bring out a copy, we start with sub copy paste. Then we go ahead to we'll go ahead to define where we want to move. If we want to move this data from the column A and B to column D, so what do? Use range and open up your, so say A1, we're taking it through the last, which is B 8,370. So what are we doing? We copy the range, so you double click on copy. So the next thing you do is you go to where do you want to paste it, say range, and now D1. This is where we want to paste it, but when we want to use the normal Excel that we are used to, you can type your paste, and because there's no special preference to paste on the Intellect's environment for VBA, we just paste space special. So after we have done that, you end sub. So you can now go ahead to look at how the code will run by clicking on F8. So the first thing is to sub copy, that means the environment we want to work. Second one is the range, which range are we copying and what are we doing with it. You can see that it has highlighted all the cells that need to be copied, and the last one we press on F8 again. You see it has copied it and paste it from D1 up to the end, and you press your last F8 and the code has finished running. But when you look at the code that has been pasted here, you see that it is showing the similar formatting that was in the original space. Now when we want to do our VBA kind of engagement, we need to go further than this. So how do we do that? You come back to your space special, but first of all you delete the this space that you have created, or secondly, alternatively, you can now maybe change and bring it to a new maybe G colon G. So I can still go ahead and say Alt F11, and I'll do some adjustment here. So where do you want to paste this time around? We're going to paste on G1, and how are we pasting it? I will come here under paste special, then because we want to add something, just click on a space and it will give you some highlighting what you need to be done there. So for us to get what we're looking for, you type your XL and paste. It will then paste value. Want to look at the value, so it has appeared, so we'll double click on it. So this is what we want to do. So after we have done that, we can now again and now look at the procedure, how this coding has fared. So we'll go and click and press on F8 once again, and range, okay, F8 range. Now it is on G1 special paste and it ends. So we can see that our new pasting now does not have any formula or any formatting that is attached to it. No line, no color, no highlighting of any thick color, and that is how the work has been achieved. So it has helped us. I can also check the length of the work to see. You can see that the work is in order here. So this is how you can copy and paste your work in VBA.